AI agents are everywhere in coding copilots, research assistants, automation tools. But what actually makes an AI agentic? Today, I will share with you most important agentic design patterns powering modern AI systems in 2025. There are dozens of agentic design patterns, but a handful of them appear again and again in real products because they make AI more reliable, smarter, and more structured. Let's break down these design patterns that every developer should know with real examples of where they are used. Let's start with the most famous pattern, React, short for reason plus act. The agent first thinks, then takes an action using a tool, then observes the results, and then thinks again. This loop makes AI agents interactive, tool-driven, and capable of solving complex tasks step by step, like searching the web, running the code, or querying a database. Here are few example use cases of React agentic pattern. The reflex pattern lets agent critique its own output and then try again. Think of it as an agent saying, okay, that didn't work. Here's what I should fix. Let me retry. It's incredibly powerful for coding, reasoning, and debugging tasks. Here are a few example use cases of reflex pattern. Next one is tool use, which basically turns an LLM into a Swiss Army knife. The agent can call APIs, databases, search engines, code executions, vector stores, and so on. Instead of guessing, the model looks things up or performs actions. Tool use makes AI agents far more reliable than pure language-only models. Here are a few example use cases of tool use pattern. Now let's talk about planning, another essential design pattern. The agent splits a big goal into smaller steps. That's the planner. And another component, the executor, completes each step. This pattern powers workflow agents, RAG pipelines, and long horizon reasoning systems like AutoGPT style tools. Here are a few example use cases of planning pattern. Another hugely popular design pattern is multi-agent collaboration. Instead of one agent doing everything, you have specialists, a researcher, a coder, a reviewer, a planner, supervisor. Each has a role and they collaborate to produce better results. This mirrors a real team structure and scale extremely well. Here are a few example use cases of multi-agent collaboration pattern. Another useful design pattern is routing. The routing agent acts like an air traffic controller. It reads users' requests and routes it to the right specialized workflow. Instead of one agent trying to do everything, the router recognizes the intent, like this is the coding question, this is the math problem, or this requires a search tool, and sends it to the best agent for the job. Here are a few example use cases of routing pattern. Next one is prompt chaining, one of the simplest and most reliable design pattern. This is where the output of one LLM becomes an input to the next. Instead of asking the model to do everything in one giant prompt, you break down the workflow into predictable sequence of steps. It's perfect for structured tasks like summarization, extraction, rewriting, or planning, drafting, reviewing. Here are a few example use cases of prompt chaining pattern. And finally, one of the most important design pattern for real-world reliability, human in the loop. This is where the agent pauses and asks a human for clarification, confirmation, or approval before proceeding further. It keeps systems safe, aligned, and accurate, especially for decisions where mistakes are expensive. Here are a few example use cases of human in the loop design pattern. Alright, so here's the quick recap of agentic design patterns that you should know as a developer. This agentic design patterns powers most agentic AI systems today, from coding copilots to research assistants to workflow automation tools.